Ever wondered how to effortlessly earn extra cash? Well, Pivot Online has unearthed yet another secret strategy to make it happen, but it can only be done with this specific mystery website. Intrigued? Well, stay tuned as we uncover this website that can be golden opportunity you're looking for, and if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button to be updated on our other Pivot Online strategies. The website's references. This website collaborates with renowned partners in the advertising industry, recognizing the inherent value of your undivided attention. Operating on the principle that your time is valuable, this website has forged partnerships with esteemed advertising entities known for their high value and legitimacy. Among these trusted partners are industry giants such as BBDO, Ogilvy, Mechanitek, and Droga5. BBDO, a global advertising network renowned for its innovative campaigns, collaborates with this website to bring you compelling and engaging advertisements. Ogilvy, another esteemed partner renowned for its creativity and effectiveness in marketing, ensures top-tier ad content. Mechanitek, a company specializing in cutting-edge technological solutions for advertising, brings you immersive and impactful ad experiences. Additionally, the powerhouse creative agency Droga5, recognized for its groundbreaking campaigns, collaborates with this website to provide you with advertisements that resonate and captivate. The website. This platform presents a unique opportunity for users to earn by engaging with advertisements from diverse brands. Users can accrue earnings by simply watching these ads, leveraging their spare time for financial gain. Moreover, the website offers an additional avenue for earnings by inviting others to join and interact with these advertisements, thereby enhancing the potential to boost one's income. A distinctive aspect of this platform lies in its flexible payment methods, catering to users' preferences and convenience. Earnings accumulated through watching ads or referrals can be redeemed through trusted and widely used payment channels. Options include PayPal, a globally recognized and secure payment gateway offering seamless transactions. Additionally, users have the opportunity to choose Google Play gift cards as a payment option, providing access to a variety of digital content on the Google Play Store. Moreover, the website extends other viable payment options, ensuring users can select the most suitable method for their earnings. Offering diverse earning opportunities through ad engagement and referrals, coupled with flexible payment options, this website aims to empower users to monetize their time and interests effectively. Mystery website reveal. And now, for the big reveal. The mystery is unveiled, presenting to you the name of the golden mystery website, cashvib.com. Not only does this website has legitimate partnerships, but it also proudly displays its live payments tab. This feature serves as compelling evidence, showcasing real-time proof of successful transactions and earnings made through the platform. It stands as a testament to the effectiveness of the method, reinforcing the platform's legitimacy and trustworthiness. Signing up. Creating an account on this platform is a straightforward process, ensuring easy access to the earning opportunities it offers. The step-by-step guide provided simplifies the registration process, making it accessible to anyone keen on exploring this income-generating avenue. To begin, prospective users are prompted to sign up by inputting essential details. This includes basic information such as name, email address, password, birth date, and a server number assigned during registration. The platform prioritizes the security of user information and aims for a hassle-free experience, hence the request for these fundamental yet necessary details. The earning mechanism. Engaging in this platform's earnings revolves around a simple yet effective process: watching ads. The pathway to earning money involves a streamlined approach that users can easily follow to accrue income. Users initiate the process by clicking on an ad showcased on the platform. Once the ad is selected, a brief waiting period ensues, typically lasting around 30 seconds. During this time, users attentively view the advertisement, ensuring their complete attention is dedicated to the content presented. Upon completion of the ad viewing duration, users are rewarded with earnings for their active participation. Each ad watched contributes to the user's earnings, with the platform crediting the respective amount for the ad viewed. This straightforward process encourages users to engage actively with the displayed advertisements, thereby leveraging their time to accumulate earnings. By simply adhering to the simple routine of selecting an ad, dedicating the stipulated time for viewing, and subsequently earning money, users can seamlessly maximize their earnings potential on the platform. But wait, let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our Pivot Online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below because we're here to guide you and provide answers. Your engagement keeps this community vibrant and informed, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. Optimizing earnings. Now hold on to your horses because we're not yet done. While you can earn already, we still got a secret in the tank on how to earn more. The secret, you ask? Creating multiple accounts. This strategic approach aims to substantially enhance potential earnings for users willing to explore this avenue. To facilitate the creation of multiple accounts, a method employing a temporary email service, such as mail.tm, is recommended. This service grants users the ability to generate multiple unique email addresses, pivotal for the creation of additional accounts on the platform. The process involves utilizing the temporary email service to generate distinct email addresses for each account desired. Users can seamlessly create multiple accounts by employing this method, enabling them to harness the potential for increased earnings across various accounts. Utilize your referral link. The platform extends a lucrative avenue for users to boost their earnings, and that's by inviting others to join the website. To capitalize on this opportunity, viewers are advised to leverage their social circles or tap into social media platforms, specifically emphasizing the potential of Facebook groups, to refer individuals to the website. Utilizing the power of social connections, viewers can invite friends, acquaintances, or wider online communities through various social media platforms. The goal is to encourage others to join the platform using the viewer's unique referral link. The appeal of this strategy lies in its monetary incentive. Each successful referral garners a substantial $5 in earnings for the user. By actively engaging in referrals, users can not only augment their own earnings but also offer an enticing opportunity for friends or acquaintances to earn through ad engagement and referrals. Optimize referral earnings. For optimal referral opportunities, consider leveraging Trendry.com, a dynamic platform renowned as a money-making forum. Trendry.com stands as a vibrant community forum tailored for moneymakers, offering a plethora of resources to aid individuals in their pursuit of earning money online. This dedicated online space serves as a hub for individuals seeking ideas, advice, or insights regarding various money-making strategies. What this means for you is there is a website filled with the potential referrals. Utilize this website by sharing your referral link on it, and for every time it is clicked, that's extra money straight to your pocket. To top it all off, users can also actively participate by sharing their experiences, seeking guidance, or asking questions within this robust earn money forum, which, when your referred website is involved, will only do you goodbye, proving its legitimacy. One of the standout features of Trendry.com lies in its rich repository of legitimate money-making opportunities. The forum curates a comprehensive list of credible methods and avenues through which individuals can earn money. This diverse compilation encompasses tried and tested methods, empowering users with a plethora of legitimate options to explore for income generation. With Trendry.com, users can tap into a community-driven platform designed to foster learning, collaboration, and information sharing among moneymakers. Leveraging this forum can significantly augment referral strategies, providing a platform for users to connect with like-minded individuals, learn from shared experiences, and discover legitimate avenues to bolster their earnings. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.